Let's talk about what it takes to build a successful online affiliate business. And what's up, guys? I'm James and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to be if you're looking for great new ways to hustle and make money online. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. First off, guys, I'm not going to go over the basics when it comes to things like budgeting and ad spend. That is not what this video is going to be about. This video is going to focus on what you need to do in order to build a successful online business. We'll go over how you can use the 7 sins to leverage emotional responses in people, the mindset needed to succeed, and a few other critical points that you need to focus on. Most people approach affiliate marketing in the wrong way. They treat it as like a half-assed side hobby that they hope one day will make them money. This is not going to work. This is not the right approach. Online affiliate marketing is very competitive, and if you want to succeed, you need to approach it the right way. And in this video, I'm going to show you some key points that you need to focus on if you want to be successful. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. The first point I want to cover is using the 7 sins. Emotions like lust, greed, laziness, envy are all extremely powerful decision-driving emotional responses. You want to use these responses. For example, laziness. Just like electricity, people will often take the path of least resistance. This means that if you can prove to someone that a product will save them time or make something easier or quicker, you're going to make a sale. People want to save time, they want to save energy, and they want to save effort. So if you can convince them that your product will do this for them, or the product that you're trying to market, your affiliate offer will do this for them, you will make sales. That's how an emotional decision response works. The same way, people are also driven by greed, lust, pride, envy. These are also very powerful decision-driving emotional responses as well. People want to feel attractive. They want to look younger. They want more stuff. They want to have what others have. They are all powerful decision-driving emotions that you need to consider, or more importantly, you need to learn to use effectively and leverage when creating sales copy. If you learn how to do this properly and effectively, your online affiliate business will be off to a flying start. You really need to do this. So guys, when you guys are creating sales copy or trying to market something, look at leveraging these emotions to help you make those sales. The next point is to be focused and consistent. Guys, if you want to be a successful online affiliate marketer, you need to treat it like a proper business. This means you need to focus on it and run it like a business, not like a hobby. The more you put into it, the more you will get out of it. All right. So what you need to do is you need to sit down and list all the things you need to do to get your business running properly. I don't know, creating landing pages, writing sales copy, marketing emails, researching keywords, trends, finding new offers, analyzing, A/B testing. Just go through all the things that you need to do and make a list of them. And then what you're going to do is you need to set up a schedule and then set aside specific times to do it. So, for example, this could be every Monday you sit down and you analyze your ad campaigns from the previous week or weekend and then set up some A/B testing. Then on Tuesday, you are researching new offers, trends, keywords. It's up to you how you want to structure it. You just need to create a schedule and then stick to it. And this is where being focused and consistent comes in. If every Tuesday from 11 to 1 you write sales copy or create blog articles for your landing pages, then do it. That is your schedule and you stick to it. It doesn't matter if your buddies are calling you up to meet for a beer or for a coffee or you know, somebody wants you to do something. No, from 11 to 1, this is when you get your work done for your business. You need to be committed to your business and you need to get it done. This is very important. Lots of people cannot handle the lack of structure when it comes to online marketing and working for themselves, which causes them to skip and put things off. Do not do this. If you want to be successful, you need to be focused and consistent and treat it like a business, and it will work for you and you will make money and be successful. So guys, be focused and be consistent and follow through. Okay, the next thing you want to do if you want your online affiliate business to be a success is to study your target audience. Guys, it doesn't matter how good your sales copy is or how good your banner looks if you don't understand who your target audience is. Every affiliate offer is going to have a different type of person that it will appeal to. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to figure out who those people are and how you can most effectively reach them. And unfortunately, most affiliates just spend a few minutes on this and then they wonder why they're having trouble getting good traffic to their offer. You need to spend more than just a few minutes on this, guys. You need to really work out who this person is. You need to create a full profile of what your ideal customer would be for that offer. You want to know who they are, what do they like, where do they hang out, what websites would they visit, what hobbies they might have, etc. All these things you need to have and understand and really take your time and flesh out who they are. You want to make sure you build a proper profile of the type of person you're trying to reach or market to. And guys, the better you do this, the less you're going to waste on underperforming ads. And guys, if you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, you have to maximize your ad spend and you cannot waste money on underperforming ads. So guys, make sure you take your time to properly figure out who your customer is. Create a really in-depth profile of who you're trying to market to. And then that way it'll be much easier for you to create ads and sales copy and everything for that specific person. The next point you need to focus on if you want your online affiliate business to be a success is learn how to monitor and anticipate trends. Guys, if you can anticipate a trend, then you can position yourself to capitalize it. And this is huge when it comes to making sales. For example, let's say you see a new product that's being offered or affiliate offer or something like that and it's just being launched or just has launched. And you have a feeling it's going to take off and it's going to be something huge. It's just like, you know, a gut feeling that's just saying this is going to be something big. This is special. I really like this offer. It could be any type of affiliate offer. It doesn't matter, but you just get that gut feeling saying this is a winner. You need to listen to your gut and position yourself to take advantage of it. This could be by creating a bunch of review articles or blog posts and then getting them indexed and ranked by Google quickly before it picks up and before the competition actually heats up for those keywords and for those reviews and stuff. Because if your hunch is correct and it takes off, tons of people are going to be searching for reviews and information about that product. And your page one reviews are going to get a ton of traffic, which you're then going to direct to your affiliate offer. And guys, if you do this right, you can make a ton of money by using this method and anticipating trends, okay? That's why you need to try and anticipate trends if you want to give your online business the best chance of success. And guys, just as important as anticipating is monitoring trends. It is a fact that trends come and go. And if you see a trend is fading, you want to make sure that you're on top of it. That way you won't waste your ad spend or throw money into something that's not going to return the money that you want. So guys, when you identify a trend, make sure you keep an eye on it. And if you notice it diving or going down, then you're going to want to act accordingly. I don't know, lower your ad spend, maybe stop creating content related to it, or even just sell all the websites you've created for it. You know, just try and lower your costs and get any last drops of revenue from it. Okay, so guys, not only do you have to be anticipating trends, you need to also monitor those trends. So that way, once they start to decline, you're not pumping money into it and wasting ad spend. You're looking for that next one, the next winner. And the next really important point you want to focus on if you want your online affiliate business to be a success is to learn from your mistakes. You will make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. You will waste money. Everyone wastes money. Sometimes these mistakes will be your own fault. Sometimes others will let you down. It's just a fact of life. Don't get upset. Don't stress it. Don't be afraid of them. Don't let your fear of making a mistake stop you from being successful. Don't let it stop you from taking that next step to making your business that much better. Also, don't ignore them. You need to learn from them. So when you do make a mistake and you've identified something that went wrong, you take that mistake and you analyze it. You pull it apart. You think, what went wrong? Why did it happen? How can I prevent it from happening again? It's really important that you learn from them. Don't let a one-time mistake become a pattern of failure. Embrace them, remember them, and learn from them. And do not be afraid of them. Don't let it hold you back, guys. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Get out there, use what we talked about today, and make some money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.